guys, it is PZ, the expert vlogger here, and tonight we are starting the brand new series of the survival series, and it's week 1. We're back to week 1 again. And we got Reese Bender right here.
Hey, like and subscribe, PZ the expert vlogger.
Yeah, Reese Bender, baby.
Hey, start of the playoffs tomorrow. Survival series.
Yeah, the survival series.
Winner go home.
That's right. That's why it's called the survival.
PZ got a girlfriend.
I actually don't. I'm just joking. What, I'm up? Alright.
I got it.
Robert.
I don't want it split up. Alright, chill out, bro. Wait, how do I switch it?
No. I'm doing the double after that.
Yeah. Tell him what I said. With PZ.
Cam's out, solo left, good out.
You're out.
Cam's out.
I was like this.
Cam's out. Cam got voted out.
Noah.
You got voted out.
Oh my god. Wow.
He's having a heart attack, bro. Let him go.
No, I'm not.
PZ, you're out. PZ, get out.
Hey, Tokar, I want you to Tokar's in Oh man, what a great start to this series already. Oh,
Come here, big boy.
yeah.
I don't get anything in my Easter basket. I'm coming to your house.
Get out! Get out!
Father's out.
Who's next?
Junior.
Who's next?
Not me.
Who's next?
Junior, get in there.
Someone go next.
Junior, come on, get in there.
Junior's next.
Have Bryson go next.
Byler.
Mock boots.
Do you like that one?
Mock boots and farm equipment, eh? Yeah!
Open up what's inside. I found the bride. There's a big fat baby inside. It's a big alien with a little hole. Oh my god, is it 7? It's getting old.
Fire lost.
That's nice.
My arch enemy.
There's all type of dirt in there.
Jaden, don't laugh. I'm doing some surgery.
Colton and Cam wrestling over there.
Don't laugh when I touch your cutie.
Yeah, there's a baby in there.
Why are you recording this?
Oh,
Get him. He's gonna laugh.
I thought he got stabbed.
Easy. Don't vlog this.
Let's take a break.
Slappy, you can be on the vlog or actually a couple more times.
This isn't the last time.
We'll be here for a little bit.
Who's all gonna stay?
What do you mean?
Who's all gonna stay?
Stay for what?
At your house.
Right now.
Jimmy,
What?
you stay at the bird's house?
For a couple minutes, then when Rod gets here.
I'm staying.
Well, Slappy, this is where you live. You'll be here all night.
So disgusting.
Oh my god. We're at Sloppy Words.
My arch enemy.
Sloppy Words.
I'll kick your ass.
Oh, no, you won't.
Yeah.
No, you won't. Right, Junior?
Wait, did you get that?
What?
Let him know you're vlogging.
And there's Yeoman.
Are you showing me or are you showing you?
I'm guessing it's you.
Smiler, easy, Takish.
Yo, on the next clip.
Say hi to Hannah from Illinois.
What's Jaden yelling at? What's he yelling at? What's he yelling? Jane, what you yelling at?
I'm yelling at your mom. She was yelling for my.
Easy, you almost done vlogging.
Don't. Are you?
Hey!
Well, guys, here's Byler leaving. See ya, Byler. This packed car. I like his car. He has a nice car. Let's vlog riding my bike. I don't know if this is gonna be catastrophic. Hold on, the cameraman. All right, I'm on my bike now. I have one operating. I'm on my bike. I'm vlogging while I'm riding my bike. Once I get a GoPro, then we'll really be looking good. This is really hard right now. I'm actually going pretty slow because I know I'm gonna fall. Whose practice jersey's up there? No, I'm not leaving. I haven't even done my closing yet.
Hey, get his underwear. Get it.
Is this person gonna?
Get him. PZ, call here.
Hannah from Illinois, yes. I hope you're not trying to steal her from me. Ah! Don't worry, guys, I did not fall. Oh boy, Takish versus somebody.
No, Tacky just got a big wedgie. That's what he got.
What do you think, Jimmy?
I think it's pretty funny. That's what I think right here, right now.
I tell you what, it's been a while since what are you doing, man? It's been a while since I've been on your vlog. How you doing?
Doing good, my arch enemy.
Arch enemy's on
My
there
arch
an
enemy.
awful lot. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The PZ can't beat me up.
Hey, you don't touch my man, Nick.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, Marcus Tokar.
It's been a while, PZ. It's been a while.
I got two. Come on now.
Yeah, Marcus Tokar's actually haven't. Seriously, he has not been on the vlog for a while.
Maybe the last like 5 teams.
Look how daylight it is. We ended practice so early. We're like 1 hour into this thing, and it's still daylight outside. This is insane, right, Jimmy?
Huh?
I mean, we're still out here. It's still daylight, and because we ended practice so daggone early.
Oh, I know. This is actually kind of nice. We should end practice this early every day.
Yeah.
Get out of school for prime time and then come out here.
I need prime.
So yeah, we're getting pretty close to the end of this vlog here. Don't you?
No.
Hey, get off my bro.
All right, guys, we're playing some pickup basketball.
Like and subscribe.
Marcus Tokar's playing.
Hey, if Cameron Taylor is watching this, I want a rematch in basketball. You and me. Let's go.
Oh, CT. Marcus is calling you
Calling you
up.
out on YouTube.
Oh, Mark.
Wait, Takish, who are you playing on? Your team. No.
Takish, who are you playing on? Switched it.
Be ready to play one.
All right. I'm glad you're recovering, Jaden.
Me and Jason versus you three.
Hey, text me, Jay.
Because I'm a monster.
Hey, I want to play a little bit, Marcus.
Actually, that'd be good.
I want to go against Sam.
PZ, if you play, no one's vlogging. Yeah.
Marcus, you can. All right, guys.
Don't throw it too hard now.
That will conclude week 1 of the survival series. As you guys can tell, we'll definitely have some more of these if we win against Eisenhower. I think I'm gonna close that so I can make this backwards.
Blood.
So if I don't make it, oh well. If I do, hooray for me. All right, here we go.
Don't throw it too high now, you baller.
Oh.
Hey PZ, let me see a close up of that shirt right there.
Yeah.
Look at that, blood, sweat, baseball. All
Let me
right.
try again. This time let me dunk it on camera here. This ball does not bounce too well. So there we go. Yeah, so I guess that'll be it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. This is PZ here, and I'm signing out. That'll be it.